Hello, our beautiful subscribers. In this video, we're going to complete the final step of your setup, store information. This includes your store details, tax details, and weight scale configuration. We'll begin with step number 1, complete your store information. In this, we're going to add and verify your store details, contact information, and business profile. Over here, you will fill in basic store details like your store name, address and location, phone number, business type, and default department and printer settings. Make sure everything here is accurate, since this information is used across your system, including receipts and reports. Once you're done, click Save. After completing and adding your store information, we'll move forward with the second step, that is sales tax payment. Set up sales tax payment details to manage and track your tax obligations accurately. Over here, you'll select your vendor, choose the category as tax, select the bank account. You can add a memo if needed. This section helps you track and manage your sales tax payments properly. Click Save once everything is entered. Next, we move to payroll tax payments. Configure payroll tax payment settings to handle employee tax deductions properly. This setup is very similar to the sales tax. You select your vendor, choose payroll as your category, select your bank, and add a memo if needed. This ensures your employee-related tax payments are tracked correctly. Click Save when done. And finally, we go to the last one, which is weight scales. If you're using a scale, click on Add Weight Scale, enter the IP address, add a description, set Do Update if needed. Make sure it's marked as active, then click Save. This allows your system to automatically read product weights for accurate billing. Alright, now you're ready to start using the system for daily operations. And that is it. Your store information setup is now complete. Once everything is saved, your system is fully configured and ready to go. If anything changes later, you can always come back and update these settings. And that is all for our onboarding playlist videos. Make sure to subscribe and ring the bell icon so you can stay up to date with Cronysoft's content.